Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup clear. First, select fresh, high-quality vegetables, as their natural flavors contribute significantly to a clear broth. Next, ensure all your vegetables are cut into uniform, small pieces. This promotes even cooking and prevents some pieces from overcooking and breaking down. Finally, gently sauté your aromatics like onions and garlic without browning them, as browning can introduce color and cloudiness to your soup. To achieve a truly clear soup, straining is crucial. After cooking, carefully pour your soup through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth. As the soup simmers, regularly skim any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. This step significantly reduces cloudiness. For an exceptionally clear broth, you can employ a classic raft method using egg whites, which will collect any remaining particles as they cook. Many common mistakes can lead to cloudy soup. First, never boil your soup vigorously. A gentle simmer is key to preventing vegetables from breaking apart and releasing starches. Second, resist the urge to overstir, as this can also cause vegetables to disintegrate and cloud the liquid. Lastly, add delicate herbs and spices towards the end of the cooking process to preserve their fresh flavor and prevent them from becoming mushy. Once your soup is perfectly clear, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully adjust the seasoning, adding salt and freshly ground pepper to taste, ensuring the flavors are balanced. Garnish with fresh, vibrant herbs such as parsley or chives just before serving. This adds a beautiful pop of color and a fresh aroma. For more great cooking tips and other deals, check the description below. Also, if you love reading while you cook, you'll find a link there for the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.